Unlocking the Ayanakoji Kiyotaka Art of Self-Mastery, a comprehensive guide to transformative growth and personal fulfillment through mastering self-discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ayanakoji Art of Self-Mastery. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the transformative power within ourselves through the cultivation of self-discipline, the bedrock of true self-mastery. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most." These words echo the essence of self-discipline, urging us to prioritize long-term fulfillment over fleeting desires. As we delve into the art of self-mastery, let's explore the psychology and pillars of self-discipline. The pillars supporting a lifetime of self-discipline are self-awareness, goal setting, time management, and consistency. Self-awareness shines a light on our weaknesses, allowing us to identify solutions and make better choices. Mindfulness practices and journaling become our allies in this self-discovery journey. Well-defined goals, expressed through the SMART criteria, transform aspirations into actionable targets, enhancing accountability within self-discipline. Meanwhile, consistent time management converts lofty goals into daily progress, turning dreams into reality. The power of routine ensures that disciplined habits become second nature. But how do we construct our self-discipline system? Begin by starting small. The cumulative effect of modest changes outweighs sporadic intense efforts. Craft environments for success, remove distractions, and surround yourself with visual reminders. Embrace mindfulness and self-reflection through practices like meditation and journaling. Reward systems and accountability partnerships create positive feedback loops, accelerating growth. Yet, challenges inevitably arise. Embrace failure as tuition towards future success, reacting with increased commitment rather than quitting entirely. When tempted, distract yourself and maintain self-compassion to prevent derailment. Our journey towards self-mastery is an iterative process, requiring flexibility as priorities shift with personal growth. Cultivate the discipline of self-love alongside worldly pursuits. To illustrate this, we present the case study of Sarah, who transformed her life through self-discipline, evolving into a whole version of herself. Step-by-step guide to Ayanakoji Art of Self-Mastery, cultivating self-discipline. 1. Initiate self-awareness. Begin with journaling to uncover personal weaknesses and habits. Embrace mindfulness practices, such as meditation or yoga, to observe and control reactions. 2. Define SMART goals. Transform aspirations into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, replace vague goals with specific ones like exercise for 30 minutes daily or read one book per month. 3. Master time management. Create a daily schedule that includes planned activities and minimizes distractions. Use techniques like task batching, time boxing, and prioritization to enhance temporal discipline. 4. Establish consistency and routine. Start with small, manageable habits to build consistency. Gradually expand disciplined routines, celebrating small wins to reinforce positive behavior. 5. Construct your self-discipline system. Begin with modest changes to avoid overwhelming commitments. Craft environments for success by removing distractions and incorporating visual reminders. 6. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Engage in mindfulness practices like meditation to gain control over thoughts and emotions. Regularly reflect on your progress through journaling, adjusting behaviors as needed. 7. Implement reward systems and accountability. Set up a system of rewards for achieving goals, creating positive feedback loops. Form partnerships for mutual accountability and support, sharing the journey with like-minded individuals. 8. Navigate failure with resilience. Accept that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Instead of quitting, use failure as motivation to further practice and enhance commitment. 9. Combat temptations with distraction techniques. When faced with intense temptations, distract yourself with activities like walking or meditation. Visualize goals for inspiration and maintain self-compassion to prevent total derailment after minor slip-ups. 10. View self-discipline as an iterative process. Understand that self-discipline is a lifelong journey requiring flexibility. Modify strategies as personal priorities shift with growth, cultivating self-love alongside worldly pursuits. 11. Celebrate small wins and adjust when necessary. Acknowledge and celebrate even the smallest progress to reinforce positive behavior. Adjust strategies when necessary, remaining flexible and compassionate towards yourself. 12. Persist through storms. Understand that challenges are inevitable, but persistence leads to long-term success. Embrace the journey of self-mastery with the understanding that fulfillment comes from the process, not just the destination. Embark on this step-by-step guide to cultivate self-discipline and unlock the transformative power of self-mastery. The journey ahead promises growth, resilience, and fulfillment. In conclusion, the seed of self-mastery lies within each of us, waiting to be cultivated through self-directed energy. Choose a self-discipline strategy that resonates, start small, enlist support, adjust when necessary, and persist through storms. The world eagerly awaits the unique contributions that will unfold on your journey of self-mastery. Begin now, and let the art of self-discipline guide you towards phenomenal growth. Thank you.